Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Riya with us. Riya Singh, technical analyst, Currencies joining in. Riya, welcome to the show. Riya, the rupee has gone on an appreciation path in spite of the spike that we are seeing with regards to where COVID cases are concerned. It doesn't seem that that's been affecting the Indian rupee. What do you make of this situation?
It could be because of the recent bearish leg that we were witnessing into the dollar index. So dollar index did correct quite a bit. And but if you look at the today's session and even yesterday's session, it has been picking up. Even dollar index has been picking up. So recent appreciation, I think, will be halted because 74.20 level is a major support into the rupee right now. If it breaches the same, then it could head for a more corrective leg. But I think if it does go for that path, it wouldn't be reflecting at what the domestic situation is into the country. Because even if you look at the domestic capitals, though even they are trading at a negative bias, and the COVID cases are rising, there is quite a bit of tension with respect to the trade deficit as well. That has widened. Apart from them, the only good news is with respect to the GST collections that has come quite a bit good for the month. But if the country goes for a lockdown, as the rumor says, it will affect even that as well. So I think the vaccination rollout, the acceleration in the vaccination rollout could be the only aid for the country right now. And if it doesn't do so, and the numbers do pick up again at the pace that it is picking up right now, the situation could worsen, and the country might go for another complete lockdown, which it couldn't afford at the current recovery phase that we are seeing. So for the Indian rupee to be corrective at this point, or go for an appreciation path will be uh, either be based on the intervention from the central bank if it does go for that path, but then it will jeopardize the whole borrowing target that it has committed to. So it will be quite a dilemma decision for the central bank as well as to what to do, because the trade deficit has widened, and the only way to get it into much of a on a favorable side would to be to get the rupee on the appreciative side. So it will be all wait and watch for a game, and the same thing we are seeing into the rupees intraday session as well. There's a lot of indecisiveness that is going around for the last past four sessions, and the same is seen even today. So for all, I think we should all watch out for a level of 70, 418. If it breaches the same, it will go for a corrective part towards 73.85, 73.50.
Right. So overall, that's with regards to where the Indian rupee is concerned. Now, if you talk about the pound as well, that's losing its foot against the greenback. So, what do you make of this, and do you think that's something which will continue?
I think there's a lot of profit taking that is, happening into the pound as well. Everything is right now factored in, whether it's with respect to the vaccination acceleration, the pickup into the economy, all was factored in into the first few months, and that what fueled the strong rally of British pound against the dollar. Now, as the events are coming, as the events are rolling out stand by stand, the same thing is happening into the pound as well. The all the long positions are unraveling and so forth. But I think going forward, it will still have a stronger hold, because we are not seeing a quite crash. The kind of profit taking uh, that goes when such events rolled out, gets rolled out. So I think it's still supportive. Uh, uh, there can be,
Yeah, yeah, we've lost you.
which is, one of the reasons that the uh, pound was appreciating so strongly in the year. So I think it will still be on a stronger hold. Slight vulnerability could be seen if there comes a political risk with respect to the whole Brexit and the borderline tension. Apart from that, everything is playing out for the favor of British pound right now.
Right. And overall, with regards to where the Eurozone is concerned, they could witness an acceleration in the economic pickup faster than the anticipated timeline. Is that something that you would agree with? And if yes, what's the impact we could see on the currency?
Yes, I think the statement that has come from the ECB is fueling the stronger hold into the euro. So they have said that they have managed to have vaccinated 70% of the Europe, and if the speed picks up, there will be quite a pickup and acceleration into the economy as well. So this will lead to the normalization of the monetary policy altogether, which means withdrawing the support from the economy. But whether this has played till now, and the next meet is in June 10th. So, what will be the emergency stimulus that the ECB will phase out in between these, timeline will be something to watch out for, because it is already in a double dip depression, this whole euro area economy. And if uh, if the pickup does come in, as the ECB is reflecting in its statement, it will work into the favor of the euro as well. But we must understand that even there is a very fast pickup into the US economy as well. The unemployment numbers are going down, and the greenback may again start, getting its foothold. So I think the strength on both the parts will be quite a bit, mitigated, and but it will definitely have a stronger hold in the coming days.
Right. So, any strategies that you would recommend?
Uh, the strategies that I would go for rupees, as said, look for a breach of 7418. It has been trading in a red zone even in on an intraday session. So if it breaches the support of 7418, it will go for it to test the lows of 74, 73, 75. So you can go for a short into the rupee. Keep a strict SL at 74.25. The next strategy that you can go for is going long into the pound, because it has been in a sideways session. Even in the international pair, it is showing a stronger hold. So I think you can go long into the pound, go above 103.21 for a target of 103.40. Keep a strict SL at 102.98. Uh, these are the two strategies that you can go forward to. I think even yen looks quite a bit and following the path of the rupee. If it reaches the level of 67.82, it can again go for a short, but the range would be quite strictly narrowed. So keep a strict SL in JPYINR when you are going short into the pair. Go short below 67.82 for a range for a target of 67.65. Keep a strict SL at 68.
Right. All right, Riya. Thank you for sharing those strategies and the views coming in for the currency market. Thank you, participants, as well, for being a part of the show.